In this video, I will show you how to export only certain data types from Google Fit. First, open your Google Fit app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the second icon. That's your journal, where all your activities are stored. From here, you will see a list of your tracked activities. Just choose the one you want to export, like walking, running, or cycling. Once you're inside that activity, go to the top right corner and tap on the Share button. You will notice that this only applies to the activity you selected, so you're not exporting all of your Google Fit data, just this specific one. Now, tap on Share again at the upper right. From here, you will see all the apps or services you can send that activity data to, whether it's notes, email, or even messaging apps. This is a quick way to export only the data you need without sending your entire health history. And that's how to export only certain data types from Google Fit.